How to allow or disallow participant to join before host on Zoom meeting PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to Zoom and log into your account. Now go to the top corner and click on my account option and it will take you to this page. Now go to settings right here, click on settings and it will take you to this page again. Now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is just scroll down until you find the participants option. As you can see now from here, you can allow participants to join before host, enable it, or you can disable it as you want. You can also change the participant join time, for example 5 minutes before start, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and if you want to disallow, just click on it like this. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.